Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to set your Google Chrome web browser back to English or convert the language on your web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Google Chrome web browser. Now you want to go and navigate to the menu icon near the top right corner of your Google Chrome web browser. Just left click on it. Now the third option from the bottom should be settings. So you want to left click on the third option from the bottom. And if you did it correctly, you should come to a screen that looks like this. Now you want to scroll all the way to the bottom of the screen, and then you want to select the button that says advanced in my case, but there should be a little arrow next to it. So again, it's the last thing on the settings page that you get sent to when you click on settings. So just left click on advanced, scroll down, and then you want to go underneath languages, and there should be a language listed inside this box as well, so hopefully that'd be an indicator where this box is. And another trick would be it's right above the downloads folder, and it currently shows you the download path on your computer right here. So basically if you can find that, it's just the section right above it, and it's the first option of these two. So the second option is the spell checker. The first option is going to be your language, and it should say a language in here. Left click inside that. Now there should be a blue button that says add languages, or it might say something else, again depending on whatever language your browser is currently set on. We're going to select add language. You just would type in your language here. So let's say we type in English, New Zealand. So I'm going to check mark inside here to add it. Left click on add. Once you've added it, now you have to go right across from it and the three vertical dots again. Left click on it. And the first option is displaying Chrome in that language. You want to check mark that first option there. Left click on the restart button to relaunch the web browser in that language, and you should be good to go. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.